Hey guys, today's video for homemade taco seasoning is a quick and easy one, but a really important one if you love the recipes inside the Taco Tuesday cookbook. I love my homemade version because it's a little smoky, not very spicy, and no additives or stabilizers like many of the ones sold at the store. And I use it on everything. I like to put all the spices into a glass jar, mix, label it, and store it in the cupboard. So let's get to it. Let's add the chili powder, ground cumin, paprika, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, crushed red pepper flakes, and dried Mexican oregano. Let's give it a good mix, and then we're gonna transfer it into our jar. Or if you're anything like me, I like to keep this in bulk in my pantry. Now, 2.5 tablespoons of this taco seasoning equals about 1 packet of store-bought seasoning. And that's it. It's basic, but it's also the best taco seasoning recipe around.